Multiple choice questions on Indian geography. Part 4. Question number 31. The basic reason of winter rainfall in northern western part of India is. Answer. Western disturbance. Explanation. Western disturbance or the basic reason of winter rainfall in northwestern part of India. Question number 32. The maximum rainfall in India is received from. Answer. Southwest monsoon. Explanation. The maximum rainfall in India is received from southwest monsoon. Question number 33. The storehouse of minerals in India is. Answer. Deccan Plateau. Explanation. Deccan Plateau is called the storehouse of minerals due to the fact that it is rich in minerals like mica, copper, iron ore, etc. Question number 34. Highest average annual rainfall is in which state? Answer. Kerala. Explanation. Kerala is the highest average annual rainfall. Question number 35. Which one of the following mountain range is spread over only one state in India? Answer. Ajanta. Explanation. Ajanta mountain range is spread over only one state in India, that is Maharashtra. Question number 36. Which one of the following region has been classified as the Western Dry Region by the Planning Commission? Answer. Rajasthan Dry Region. Explanation. Rajasthan Dry Region is a Western Dry Region as classified by Planning Commission. Question number 37. India has how many seismic zones? Answer. 4. Explanation. India has 4 seismic zones. An Indian seismic zoning map consists. One is identifying the lowest, moderate as well as highest hazardous or earthquake prone areas in India. Question number 38. Which mountain range is the oldest in India? Answer. Aravali. Explanation. Aravali mountain is the oldest mountain in India and world also, covering the Indian states of Delhi, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat. Question number 39. The climate of Madhya Pradesh is. Answer. Monsoon. Explanation. The climate of Madhya Pradesh is monsoon based. In winter, the mean minimum temperature is 1 degree centigrade and rise to a mean maximum temperature of 25 degrees centigrade. Question number 40. Which of the following hills the Eastern Ghats joins the Western Ghats? Answer: Nilagiri Hills. Explanation: the Eastern Ghats and the Western Ghats joins at Nilagiri Hills. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe Rakesh VALASA channel.